Introducing the TashiBox plastic food storage containers with lids. These versatile and convenient containers are perfect for all your food storage needs. With different size options included in each set, you'll be able to store a variety of foods with ease. The TashiBox containers are constructed with high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. They are designed to never leak, crack, or warp, providing you with peace of mind when it comes to storing your food. Plus, they are 100% BPA-free, making them safe to use for both you and your family. Whether you need containers for heating up leftovers or freezing meals for later, the TashiBox containers have you covered. They are microwave and freezer safe, allowing you to conveniently store and reheat your food whenever you need it. These containers are also great for travel, as they are leak-proof and won't spill in your bag. Cleaning up after meals is a breeze with the TashiBox containers. They are safe to use in the dishwasher, making them reusable and reducing waste. In fact, many of our customers even use them for making homemade slime. The unique stackable design of these containers makes them easy to store when not in use. They won't take up much space in your cabinets or pantry, allowing you to maximize your storage area. Say goodbye to messy and cluttered cupboards. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. With dimensions of 15.2 by 9.3 by 4.7 inches and a weight of 2 pounds, the TashiBox containers are the perfect size for your food storage needs. They are manufactured by ASF Tashi LLC and have an ASIN of B085P1SXMF. The product is made in China and has an item model number of TBSCMIX48VC. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 3,642 ratings, these containers are a trusted choice. They are ranked number 3,248 in kitchen and dining and number 132 in food container sets. Get organized and simplify your food storage with the TashiBox plastic food storage containers with lids. Don't miss out on this must-have kitchen essential. Click the link in the description to get your set today.